The minute we pulled up to this multi-million-dollar home, we knew this yard sale was going to be good, and it did not disappoint. Right off the bat, we pick up these Nike Air Max 270 shoes. They should sell for around $50 plus shipping. We do need to clean them up a little bit, but that shouldn't be a problem. On that same table, there were two Supreme fanny packs. They're asking $20 each, which is more than fair given the brand, and they looked legit. However, when we looked them up, the sell-through rate was pretty low. So for that reason, we left them behind. Maybe we made a mistake. Let me know in the comments, would you have picked them up? You can see me over at the other table. I'm trying to call for Jeff because my hands are already full and I'm holding our baby. But there was a giant stack of men's ABC Lululemon pants. So we are more selective with women's Lululemon, but these men's ABC pants have an insane sell-through rate. I was so excited when I came across these because I knew that they would be great for our store. There were 6 total and I grabbed them all. They did want $10 a piece for each of these, which is more than fair. I figure we can sell these for at least $50 a piece. So this pile alone should cover the cost of everything else we bought at the sale, which was fantastic. There are also lots of great clothes hanging up. You can see Jeff pulls out this Patagonia jacket. We paid $10 for this Patagonia Cinchilla snap fleece pullover. It should sell for at least $50. And then this Yellowstone t-shirt was vintage, single stitch. It won't sell for a lot of money, most likely, probably around $20, but it was only $2 and it was just such a unique graphic that we had to pick it up. Another great Patagonia jacket for only $5. This is fleece lined, very lightweight, and I think I'm gonna end up keeping this for myself, but if we were to sell it, it should sell for around $50. You could see my son pointing out this Lululemon hoodie. I think this is one I'm going to keep for myself as well. So we actually ended up working out a trade. We found something really cool toward the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Since Jeff and I were both filling our arms with stuff, here are some things that I picked up that didn't make it on the GoPro. This Patagonia Better Sweater fleece vest sells really well for us. We love picking this up and it was only $4. It was actually sandwiched in between a bunch of t-shirts. So I was so excited to find this. And then here is another Patagonia mid-weight base layer. I need to look up comps for this one, but I'm hoping to get at least $20 to $25 for this one. And then I grabbed 2 pairs of Lululemon leggings. They were $5 a piece. Again, with women's Lululemon especially, we are pretty selective. But these were the Align leggings. They had the pockets and they seemed like they were in new condition. I saw several very recent comps for around that $50 range. So I'm hoping to get somewhere around there for both of these. And then we picked up these G-Star Raw women's jeans. They are the ARC 3D boyfriend jean, so a trending style. G-Star Raw doesn't have the highest sell-through rate for women's jeans, but they are really nice quality jeans. And we were seeing comps for this specific style right around that $40 mark. So we grabbed them and figured they could sit for a little while because they would still bring in some decent money.
All right, I think we're ready to start tossing stuff in.
So what we can do, if you don't mind, we're just gonna kind of like 2 different piles.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll add it up.
Yeah, however you want to do it.
$159.25.
$59?
Yeah.
No, that's a great deal.
All right.
All right, thank you. Thrifting with the baby, trying to find some treasure. Oops. A lucky penny, nice.
Oh, what is that?
It's like a hairstyling tool.
$5?
And then
$2?
That sounds like a deal.
Okay.
Morning.
Good morning. That's a good thing or a bad thing?
Yeah, I know.
Hey, don't be down my bubble gum.
Oh, sorry.
No, you guys are fine. Do you know how much you guys want for the?
Like $5.
We can do $5. Okay, I gotta ask because I see it. The drum set back here, is that
It's for sale for sure.
okay?
There's, I don't know if we're missing a screw or something. All the pieces are here, but we just weren't able to like get it to stay. I think we're missing just some screws.
Gotcha.
So all the stuff is there. You just need the screws to be able to.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks like maybe some of those rivets that are
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah. So that's what it's missing. But
Okay. How much for that guy?
dude, like $3. To be honest.
Okay, let me look at it.
Okay. Yeah.
It's probably, is it all right if I hang out here for just a second? All right.
So I'll be honest.
And that worked last time you used it?
Used to be a bed.
Do you know? Yeah, you're good.
The drums. Last time we used it.
We made another one, it's funny, and
The drum?
Yes.
Yeah, it's just the pedal was broken is the thing.
The pedal's broken? Okay.
Pedal's broken.
Pedal in the stand. Okay,
The
that's
wire
fine.
of The pedal is broken. The rest works, yeah.
we were driving.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Can I Venmo you? Does that work? Okay. I just paid
Got
you.
it. You're
Cool.
good to go.
Thank you.
We need an air hockey table.
No. We need this boat though.
I know. That's a nice one.
Yeah, no. We need a basement and then we could have an air hockey table.
We just finished ours,
Oh, there you
but
go.
we have too much stuff down there that
Yeah.
the air hockey table now it doesn't fit.
Would you do 20 for your jacket?
Sure.
Okay. Do you guys have Venmo or is cash better?
Oh, cash.
Okay. Oh, that's all right. I carried a little bit of both just in case.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay, thanks guys.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Good luck.
Thank you. Oh, the rifle guns. Oh, it's missing the back. That's okay.
This vintage Michael Jordan jersey was only $2. My son loves Michael Jordan right now. This is the item that we worked out a trade. He traded me the Lululemon hoodie for this jersey and we were both thrilled with the trade. Thanks for coming along with us and I will see you in the next one.